You know what the famous philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once said about music? He said, "Without music, life would be a mistake." Well, that may be true, but you know what else would be a mistake? Listening to music for free when you might as well earn by doing so. If you're like me who is obsessed with listening to music while I work or while I go on my morning jobs or even when I just feel like relaxing, you might have heard of popular music platforms like SoundCloud. SoundCloud is one of the most sought-after platforms that people use to discover new music by new up-and-coming artists. Because of its ease of use and free features, SoundCloud is a well-loved platform for music lovers. So for today's video, I'll teach you how to earn money online by just listening to music on SoundCloud. It doesn't matter where you're from because this money-making method is available anywhere in the world. It's free and won't require you to invest any money prior to using this method. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Earning money through listening to music is a very lucrative technique that lets you make hundreds of dollars with basically doing nothing. All you need is a computer with internet access or even just a mobile phone will do, so you can listen to music. Just follow these steps and you will be racking up the dollars in no time. First, if you haven't guessed it yet, you have to go to SoundCloud.com and create an account. Don't worry, it's completely free and easy to navigate through. You can start by searching for your favorite genres or go through what's trending right now. For example, we are looking for a remix of a song by Taylor Swift, so you can simply type in Taylor Swift remix on the search bar, and immediately you will be offered hundreds of songs which are remixes of songs produced by Taylor Swift. If you have a mobile phone, there's no need to worry because SoundCloud is available as an app too. You can get the app for free if you have an Android phone or an iPhone. It doesn't matter. As I've said, it's very easy to use. You'll get the hang of it in no time. But before we go to the more interesting part, I just want to ask, what kind of music do you usually listen to? Comment down below because I like to hear from my viewers too. Personally, I like listening to hip-hop while I work out because it helps me become more pumped up and more focused on whatever I am doing. With the SoundCloud app, you can also listen to new songs from any genre. In fact, it's the platform that up-and-coming artists use to build their career. Let's get back to the video. Now that I have introduced you to SoundCloud, let me show you another platform which will be essential in this money-making method. And that website is lyrics.com. As the name suggests, lyrics.com is a database which houses song lyrics, information about artists, and even information about that artist's albums. They seem to have all the information about the latest trending music and artists. And all of this is possible thanks to its large community of contributing editors. You may want to go to the website first to get yourself familiarized. As you can see, you can search for any song or song lyrics on this site. Actually, you can even follow your favorite artists on the website and discuss their works with other fans. Another feature which you can do on lyrics.com is translate the song lyrics into any language. Let's show an example. Here, we can look for another Taylor Swift song. If you look up the artist Taylor Swift, her discography will show up. A list of her songs categorized by album will be flashed on the screen. And once you click on a song, for example, this one, it will lead you to a page dedicated to the song alone. It will show the information about the song and its complete lyrics. Now that you've got the bases covered with SoundCloud and lyrics.com, I'll show you how you can earn through these different platforms. But before that, I want to know what type of music helps you focus while you work. If you're like me who wants to listen passively while working, I personally like tuning into classical music because it helps me really get in the zone. Comment down below what you like listening to while working. So the next step that you have to do is go to rev.com. It's an online platform which lets freelance transcribers offer their gigs. If you navigate through the website, you will see a wide array of work opportunities in the field of audio and video transcription. The first category of tasks you can perform is super quick and simple. You can earn $1.25 for every minute of audio that you transcribe into lyrics. For example, you can transcribe a song that you listen to on SoundCloud and get paid for every minute of it that you transcribed into lyrics. Making an account on Rev is free. You don't need to invest on the website to create an account and start transcribing. The best part of this job is that you can create your own flexible work schedule. You can even accept as many tasks as you want in a day, and you will get paid weekly for all the tasks that you have completed for the week. The payment will come directly to your PayPal account. In a bit, I'll show you how you can maximize your earning potential through a different platform that can help you in your transcription gig. But for now, I just want to ask my viewers, have you ever had transcribing jobs before? Comment down below in the comment section, what is the most difficult part of transcribing? Personally, the toughest part of transcribing for me is having to pause the media every now and then just so you can listen closely to the audio. But enough of that. Let's get back to the video. One tip I can give you is to sign up for many transcribing platforms because it helps maximize your earning potential. That being said, other platforms which you can use to earn money through transcribing is Gotranscript.com. According to their website, Gotranscript.com is a web-based transcription and translation company which caters freelancers to keep up with customer orders. Again, creating an account with this website is free. They pay pretty high rates for transcription services. Like Rev.com, Gotranscript allows a flexible work schedule and you are allowed to accept as many tasks as you want. So to help you with transcribing, allow me to share another platform. Go to otranscribe.com. This is a free online website which can assist you in all of your transcribing tasks. The website itself is actually very easy to use. Once you visit the homepage, you can click on the blue button which says Start Transcribing. You will then be prompted to upload your audio or video files, after which you can start transcribing already. Note that Otranscribe doesn't do the transcribing for you. It only helps make the work easier. Unfortunately, this website can only be accessed through desktop or laptop computers. And there you have it. All you have to do is listen to audio files, transcribe the lyrics with the help of otranscribe.com, and find gigs on rev.com or gotranscribe.com to earn easy money. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store just for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.